Oh. Hi guys, welcome back. Now, if you knew that there was a product that you could use that would get your car or van 90% clean for doing minimum effort, you'd use it, wouldn't you? That is the question that I posed to my good buddy John from Forensics Detailing. That's why I haven't had a shave. I thought I'd channel a bit of John, a bit of his expertise. I said, John, what can I use that's going to get my van mostly clean for doing minimum effort? He said, you need some of this. So he told me to go and buy some Bilt Hamber Touchless and an AutoBrite Snow Foamer, and that is 50-50 touchless with water. And then what I'm going to do, no offence, I'll put a bit of tape over my mobile number because if this video does really well, I don't want everyone ringing me up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do snow foam up to this point of the van. Then when I come to jet blast it off, I'm going to jet blast up to this point of the van. So we'll end up with the back third of the van not being touched at all, the middle part of the van being jet washed, and the front third of the van being snow foamed and jet washed. Let's see how we go. Right, this has been soaking for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're going to jet blast this off and see how much dirt comes off with it. I mean, I haven't cleaned the van for about 6 months, so this is a pretty thorough test, to be fair. So I'm literally going to jet blast this off and then also jet blast this off and not touch the back. Right, now we've done that, I'm literally just going to let this air dry because at the moment it's all wet, so it's hard to see how much dirt it's shifted. I can already tell at the bottom that that is definitely cleaner than that, but let's come back in 5 minutes once it's all dry and see what it's done. So there we go, that's pretty much dried off. Now hopefully my camera is picking this up because this is like night and day. The back bit is not a very powerful jet washer, so the difference between the bit I haven't jet washed and the bit that I have isn't a massive difference. However, hopefully you guys can see where the Bilt Hamber Touchless was, especially on the wheel, front and back wheel. I mean, look at that. There we go. That is some easy, lazy cleaning. I mean, even right here, you can see where the kind of foam's kind of like sprayed out a little bit and gone onto the dirty bit. Man, that's pretty impressive. There we go guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Go and get yourself some touchless from Bilt Hamber. Go and get yourself one of those AutoBrite Snow Foam gun things. Massive shout out to John from Forensic Detailing for giving me those tips. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. Also my buddy Peter from Wicked Tees sent me this cool t-shirt. So big shout out to him. I'll put a link in the description below. Go and buy yourself a cool t-shirt. As always guys, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, and I'll see you on the next one. So there, if that car's go past. That's well rambly. Jet washed and the front half of the van, can't say front half,